This is one typical afternoon here at home, and Laura's there behind with her Udi. Where are you, Laura? There she is. She's all covered up with a Udi, and yeah, it's a typical afternoon, and yeah, it's bright, sunny, good day today. I might go out in a few, but yeah, I have a lot of things to do. I haven't started anything. It's a good day today. Well, weather-wise, not on such things, other things. But yeah, around 2 p.m. and just had a good breakfast. And my breakfast was pancakes that we ordered yesterday. I just reheated it. Don't judge. And then put ice cream on it. It's coffee ice cream. We have vanilla, but I just choose the coffee grande from Connoisseur. And then I got some bread, made a good scrambled egg. I'm very good at it, I think. But I put cheese on it and have it here and have my coffee now. So yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen later. I don't know how the day's gonna go, but should be all right. Should be all right. Anyway, good day, guys. I don't know what's gonna happen today. I don't know. I don't really know. Let's see. Let's check out later. I have a minute and a half. I'll update you later. Bye. So daily news update is around 7 p.m. today, and then I haven't started doing what I need to do. You know what? You know what? Anyway, yes, it's around 7 p.m. today, and yeah, I haven't done anything. It sucks. I just cleaned a bit of the house and everything else, so there's nothing more, nothing less. I'm just sitting here. I'm going back to my Mac Air. I really love my Mac Air, but the thing is, it's the same as the Mac Mini that Laura got for her work. But the Mac Mini is like, it feels like a desktop. It's a stationary computer, and it packs a lot of power. So I really like it. It's so cool. It's not that expensive compared to like getting an iMac Pro, which is so expensive and so expensive. That one you can have your own keyboard and everything. You just need that mini thing. You can upgrade it. The least you can pay is around 1,600 or maybe 1,300. If you're happy with 8 gig RAM, that's fine. But you should get the 16 gig RAM and at least the 512 hard drive, and then you can just roll with it. Anyway, just talking about technology, and then yeah, we're running out of time. So basically, I have done nothing today. There's nothing new in the blog. Just an update for today. And also, I didn't do my logs, my daily recorded logs, but I'll try to do it later. Yeah, so Laura's out for work. I'm just here. It's around, again, 7 p.m., and I need to do what I need to do, study. Take care, guys. See ya. I just really need to add this in the vlog. I'm doing Barbie today. So, yeah, Barbie. Barbecue ba? Okay, that's it. Bye, guys.